When performing a scheduled backup job on a VMware Workstation, the following warning is shown in the backup log, even though the guest VM is visible in AhsayOBM backup source. The guest VM is located on a network drive. The AhsayOBM scheduler service by default is using a local system account and therefore does not have permission to access the guest VM on the network destination. To resolve the issue, modify the logon setting of the Ahsay Online Backup Manager services to an account with sufficient permission to access the network backup destination. 1. Under Control Panel, open Administrative Tools, then Services. 2. Right-click on Ahsay Online Backup Manager services. Select the Logon tab. 3. Select this account option. 4. Enter the login credentials of an account with sufficient permission. And 5. Restart the service afterward.
If you want to learn how to secure your business and personal data, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Ahsay backup tips and insights.